Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 28th, and we are going to be planting lovage seeds today. Now, lovage is an herb. It has a celery-like taste and flavor, so you can use it for flavoring like your stews, your soups, your salads, pickles, all different kinds of things. So I have my seeds here, and I'm using the Jiffy Organic Seed Starting Mix, and you can see our lovage seeds here. And I'm going to start planting them here. Now I'm actually doing 2 to a container, to a sow, and I will be dividing them later on. I'll be pricking out the extra seedlings. I'll put a link below on how to do that. I already did a video on that for growing. I did that with stastic seedlings, which is a flower, but it's the same. So lovage needs 70 degrees to germinate, and you want to sow your seeds about a 1/4 inch deep, and they should start germinating within 2 to 4 weeks. So let me get my soil out here, my extra soil. We don't want to plant these down too deep. And I'm going to whoops, it stuck to my finger there, sorry about that. I'm going to firm the seeds into the soil. Now, lovage is one of those ones where you definitely want to pre-chill the seeds before you sow it. If you don't do that, you're really not going to get good results. And we want our stuff to come up, so I definitely recommend pre-chilling it. Just flip the seed down. There we go. So I'm just going to give this a light coating of our seed starting mix here. And we don't want to get too much of a coating on, because if we do, then they're not going to germinate. So I'm just doing a light coating over top. And I'm going to take my water bottle here, and I'm just going to spray over the top to make sure I get the soil nice and wet. And I'm going to label them. I use the plastic labels, and I write on them with a pencil, because then I can erase it and I can reuse the tag then. So we're going to come back then after I have it under our lights, and I'm going to show you where I put it. Okay, so we're back, and what I actually did is I put my lovage seeds at the front of one of my grow boxes, and the light should heat it up enough that it should get to the 70 degrees that it needs. I'm not going to put it in one of the enclosed boxes because it's going to get way too hot, and I'm not going to put it in the back of the box for the same reason. Now, lovage is a perennial for most of the north, and I'm in Pennsylvania, so it should be a perennial for me. And it's one of those plants that it's kind of hard to find. So if you have like issues finding it, then sowing from seeds would probably be your next best bet. So you'll have it. So when it starts coming up, I will come back with another video, and I'll show you what it looks like. And when I said I pre-chill my seeds, what I do is I keep my seeds in the refrigerator in Ziploc bags, and I take them out when I need them or when I'm ready to plant them, and then I put them back in the refrigerator in the Ziploc bag. So this is one, I tried it last year without pre-chilling the seeds, and I didn't get too good of a germination rate. So you definitely want to chill it. Chill the seeds before you try and even plant it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.